Hi, I'm Dennis with Doozy Roofs. Today I'm going to show you some of the things that we look at when we do a roofing tune-up.
In our business, we try to keep you away from this look. As many of you already know, squirrels chew up these lead-based vent boots. And the sun is the biggest enemy of this type of collar. The UV rays break down the elasticity of this boot, allowing water to go through into your home. Both of these type boots that we have been looking at are to protect rainwater from coming into your home. If you have metal arches that look like this, or flats as well that look like this, you'll want to make sure and have new silicone applied or rolled roofing, or they will rust through and it'll be more expensive to fix. And when your ceiling gets this look, you get this one. And because of the missing nail here in the flashing, the decking below the flashing has rotted. And this customer had no idea there was a brick missing from the chimney crown. So we remortared the corner, and this stopped the leak in the living room. If you have accumulation of leaves in the valleys, you'll want to remove these things quickly, because they do accelerate the deterioration of your shingle. And leaving pop-up nails unchecked can lead to this. So if you have a composition shingle that is under 20 years old, or a 3-tab that is under 15 years, you might consider a roof tune-up that would get it to its expected lifespan.